Assalamu alaikum, I am Asif Bhatti. Professionally, I am a teacher. It would not be wrong to say that teaching is not only my profession but also my passion. I started teaching in 2013 and have taught in different schools of private sector as well as academies. With the passage of time and remaining in touch with teaching, I started writing, including novel writing, short story writing, and poetry. I have written few booklets of poetry and short stories. Due to lack of sources or not having easy approach to internet or social media, I could not show off my work on front page. When I start to write on social media page, many people like, appreciate and encouraged me to step forward and show off my work. Now with the help of Shaheen Model Schooling Systems and my friends, I am going to record my lectures regarding motivational speeches. And the topic of my videos will be success or how can we achieve success in our lives. The reason behind choosing this topic is I have already written many stories on this topic. You can see my videos on my YouTube channel Asif Bhatti. So must visit for videos and subscribe for more videos. I am thankful to all of you and especially the members of Shaheen Model Schooling System for supporting me. So keep watching and sharing. Thanks again. Allah Hafiz.